I wanted to introduce to you the VS Sassoon Unbound Cord Cordless Auto Curler. The Unbound Cord Cordless Auto Curler is the smart styler that guarantees freedom and flexibility with no styling downtime. It's also guesswork free thanks to its anti-tangle, automatic curl technology and adjustable settings. And you can mix and match the settings for endless curls and waves, from ultra defined curls to soft, blowout and beachy waves. But first, let me tell you why I love it and what makes this styler so special. With the Unbound Cord Cordless Auto Curler, you can choose to use it with the convenience of corded use or with the freedom of cordless use for up to 60 minutes completely cord-free. And if you run low on battery charge, just simply plug it in and you'll be styling again via corded use with no downtime. There are 4 heat settings to suit all hair types. Choose from 140 degrees for treated hair, 160 degrees for fine hair, 180 degrees for medium hair, or 200 degrees for thick hair. If you're unsure which heat setting to choose, always start with the lowest heat setting first and then gradually adjust. There are 3 curl directions to choose from: right, left, or alternating. This allows you to control the direction your curl will fall. For curls that will fall away from the face, choose the left or the right setting. I love using the alternating settings, so one curl will fall to the left and one curl will fall to the right, and it alternates through each section. There are 4 preset curl types so you can customize your curls and waves. Choose from defined, loose, wavy, or soft. The preset curl types determine the length of time the section will be held in the curl chamber. If you choose defined, the curl will take 14 seconds and you'll have a tighter curl. Loose, the curl will take 12 seconds. Wavy, the curl will take 10 seconds and you'll have a bouncier curl. And if you choose soft, the curl will take 8 seconds and you'll have a full-bodied curl. So let's create some waves and curls. It's really important to have clean, dry hair. It's also really important to make sure you section the hair correctly. So I like to section the hair into 3 sections. The top section from the temple, the middle section from the top of the ears, and we get started with the bottom section. So today we're going to create a glam wavy hairstyle. I've got the styler set to 180 degrees. I've got it on the wavy curl setting, and I'm going to choose the right curl direction for around the face on this side so that the curls curl away from the face. I'm going to do the same on the left hand side and curl the curls to the left, and with the rest of the head I'm going to have it on the alternating setting. So I'm going to place the styler at the roots of the hair. If you want to, you can start the curl from a couple of inches down. It depends on which style you prefer. Be gentle with your hair, wait for the beep to tell you it's ready. Once it's done, you don't need to pull it, there's no tension on the head. The styler will just fall away and reveal your curl. Now I'm going to push the curl button. You don't have to hold your finger on there, you can take it off, and the hair will be drawn into the curl chamber. So we're just doing these last couple of sections around the face. I've got the curl direction set to the left so that it's curling away from Becca's face. Now we're going to loosen the curls because we want a beautiful bouncy wave. It's really important to wait until the hair has completely cooled before brushing the curls out. This will make sure that they're set and they'll last all day.